my name is Deanna Kalina, founder of West Coast Lifestyle Group. We specialize in residential services here on the West Coast. And today I am here in my neighborhood in Burnaby, in the Heights, with Bill from Solace Home Comfort to talk to you about fireplaces. Bill, thank you so much for joining us here, and we will be talking about fireplaces. Now please tell us about Solace Home Comfort.
Well, Solace Home Comfort is a family business, and we've been here since 1977 in this exact location. We're a big Valor dealer, so we like the Valors. The Valors are very high efficient, and the nice feature with the Valors is we can modulate the flame up and down. So we can take it from a high BTU fireplace down to low BTU. The number one mistake people make is to get a fireplace that's too powerful for their room.
Mm-hmm. And it's too hot, and they don't need
and they
that.
can't use it.
Okay.
So the nice thing with the Valors is we try and size the fireplace right to begin with, and then we can modulate the flame up and down to give you more control.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And you mentioned that natural gas fireplaces may not be the only thing you sell here. You do sell other ones as well?
We do sell wood burning, and we do have other options. However, the natural gas right now is so inexpensive and so convenient that it just wins.
That's right. And wood burning fireplaces as well.
Still available. Yep.
Still available, and still the city's okay with them with proper maintenance and so forth?
We need a high efficient airtight wood stove, wood fireplace, stove or fireplace, so we can still do that.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, that's a great option for people that want to go in the wood direction.
And they're still
of the
very
gas.
environmentally friendly too, because they burn so clean that if you burn a fireplace properly, a tree rotting in the forest will give off as much carbon as if it's burned properly in a fireplace.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And what makes your company different from other companies?
Well, we're just the best.
It's the best.
We've been here since '77. We've been best in Burnaby for
And there's some
decades.
amazing awards here, so this is definitely a testament to the service you provide.
And it's about getting the product right for the application, because it is a difficult thing. It's something new. You know, the other big box stores have tried this. They wash out quickly. There's a lot of information needed.
Absolutely. And very catered to the individual person,
exactly.
Being community-based and community-oriented, that really...
Everything from budget to design, and we've got a lot of different designs, everything from Victorian to linear. And the funny thing is the Victorian is still very popular, because a lot of people are doing older houses.
That's right.
So we'll do everything from Victorian to linear.
Well, this is fantastic. When I'm showing homes, I will be taking a look at to see what kind of fireplaces.
And then if you've got an existing wood burning fireplace, we have inserts, so they can go inside an existing wood burner.
Good to know.
And so you're not doing a big reno to get a fireplace.
So if anybody wants to change them over, this is a great opportunity to do that as well, and they have the space for it.
Yes.
What about maintenance?
Maintenance, again, gas wins, because once a year you clean the glass, get a little service call. So very easy to maintain.
Okay, fantastic. Now, Bill, how can our audience reach you if they have any questions about fireplaces
or
getting
4025 Hastings Street in Burnaby, just across from the Dollar Tree. Everybody knows the Dollar Tree in the Heights.
Right on the Heights,
and so, and a lot of people know we're here, but we're on kind of on the wrong side of the street with trees and everything, but everybody used to know the Shoppers, now it's the Dollar Tree.
That's right. Awesome. Well, Bill, thank you so much for joining us.
Nice to meet you.
Wonderful. Thank you.